Okay, we're here with Pablo. Tell us a little bit about your journey to this point in the space with getting into Bitcoin or what have you.
Sure. So I got in the space about 5 years ago. I was doing mainly trading, like most people early on, holding, trading, OTC transactions. Costa Rica is very well known also for the gaming industry. So I was also facilitating payment processing for sports books and whatnot in cryptocurrency. And then some people approached me from the Canadian Securities Exchange about a year and a half ago. We took 2 companies public last year. And then, having that freedom of like, okay, what are we going to do now? A few friends and I were talking and saying, okay, so what does the industry need? And we're saying, there is such an irony that in a decentralized community, we are trading at centralized exchanges. Like we're condemning banks and central banks and centralized institutions, and we're trading at centralized exchanges. So we said we have to build a decentralized exchange. Yes, we know the liquidity is not there. Yes, we know, yes, all the yeses. And then in spite of that, we went on to build an exchange. We said to ourselves, so what are people using most? A lot of exchanges, they begin with the web-based app. Well, a whole bunch of charts that people don't understand for sophisticated traders. We're like, you know what, scratch that. What we're going to do is we're going to build a mobile exchange, mobile first, like WhatsApp or like Telegram. And then we're going to do an iteration that is derived from the mobile application. And we said to ourselves, okay, so we're going to make it simple. We're going to make it easy. We're going to make the user experience as intuitive as possible. And we're going to facilitate also listing on our exchange. We didn't know what we were getting into. We had to build our own relay. It was a mess. The tech team was phenomenal. And yesterday we launched here at Untraceable the world's first decentralized exchange on a mobile platform. So we're making history.
So you launched yesterday. I must have missed that announcement.
We launched it yesterday. We took the main stage.
Is live on mobile for Android and Apple?
That's correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Amazing.
Yes, it's live, it's trading, people are using it. Over $4 billion already of shared market cap, and over half $500,000 of daily trading. For a decentralized exchange, that's big. Yes.
And I agree with you. I mean, even some of the big boys, exchanges, centralized, are now seeing the light and realizing they need to create decentralized. But you guys have first mover in the mobile space in a way.
Is Costa Rica considers cryptocurrency as a commodity, not a security. So when we saw that, we said to ourselves, wow, I mean, this is the opportunity to pursue a broker-dealer license. We thought it'd be more difficult. The government has given us so much support that we're so grateful. And we set shop. We're hiring 300 employees. Like it's crazy. We already have a broker-dealer license. We have a currency exchange license that allows us to trade G10 currencies. Our bank is the Costa Rican Central Bank. Like we don't need any banking solutions. We bank with the Costa Rican Central Bank. We have a money remittance license. It's like a dream coming true.
Tell us a little bit about your background and your role in Genesis, in the whole ecosystem.
Okay, so my personal background, I have an entrepreneurial experience. I've taken 2 companies public, as I mentioned before. I've grown private companies from like 4 employees in 28 to 4,000 employees in 2012. My own sports brand that was selling in 10 countries. Contracts directly with governments like the Chinese government to clean their residual waters. My own even beverages brand. It was the first Latin American company to ever partner with the Red Cross. We took that business, we gave it to the Red Cross so that anything that it makes, it's all donations for the Red Cross for Latin America. And now we're doing crypto, so that's my personal background. And now in crypto, I'm the founder and CEO of Genesis Blockchain Technologies, and what we're aspiring of being is a one-stop shop. So yes, we think decentralized exchanges are the future. but not yet the present. So we're also coming up with a centralized exchange in January, an over-the-counter trading desk in March, and an institutional investor platform in June. We're going to be able to trade G10 currencies, and hear this is pretty cool. Because we have a broker-dealer license from the Commodities Exchange, we can now pair Bitcoin with gold, Ethereum with silver, oil with XRP, go from the main currency, cryptocurrencies, to the G10 currencies, not only USD, Euro, and pounds, but also francs and yens and yuans, Canadian dollars, yes.
Well, dude, thank you so much for spending time with us. Super inspiring what you guys are doing. How can people find you? How can they find the app and hear more about you and the community?
Thank you. They can go on the Google Play Store. They can download the app. It's called Genesis Exchange and Wallet, as well as the App Store on iOS, on iPhone. And our website is mygenesis.io.
Dude, thank you so much. Great to talk to you.